In a more recent incident in 2012, milk powder was watered down in China, and 13 infants died from malnutrition. In this incident, a manufacturer deceived the public by producing milk powder with a lower protein level that ultimately led to the deaths of the babies. Another well-documented case led to the addition of fox meat into the popular Chinese delicacy of donkey meat. This meant that consumers were deceived into eating an other meat product without any knowledge of the consequences of eating such meat. This situation is not limited to China alone, as there was also a horse meat scare in Europe. While horse meat is eaten in some countries, many Europeans were very unhappy to discover what they thought was beef was actually horse meat. One of the long-term side effects of such activity is the effect it has on the export of products from one country to another. When food quality cannot be guaranteed, importers of such goods tend to look to other suppliers who can guarantee that what they supply is exactly what it is supposed to be.